Welcome to Nuts and Bolts Before You Call Edition. In this series, we cover little issues that can easily be addressed before you call a technician. Let's get to it. Today's topic is about the washing machine. If the washer isn't functioning properly, there are a few quick and easy things you can try to get this appliance back up and running. If you have built up mold or mildew, run the clean washer or tub clean cycle every 30 wash cycles to keep your appliance at peak performance. You can use a fresh tablets to help break down mildew buildup. This will make your drum stay fresh and clean. If you have stains on your gasket, you can use a mild stain remover and a small scrubber to clean the gasket. Be careful not to rip the boot seal gasket while cleaning. If you are overfilling with detergent, use high efficiency detergent along with the recommended amounts. Using too much detergent or the wrong non-high efficiency detergent can leave behind soap residue and scum. If there's moisture on the inside of the washer, leave your washer door open to air out after use. This will also help reduce buildup of mold and mildew. If you're still encountering issues with your washer, it could be a sign of an internal problem which may require some disassembly or a professional's diagnosis. But by doing a little troubleshooting yourself before you make that call can save you time and some money. I hope this information helps. Please like and share this knowledge with others and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.